Ever wondered how Pringles get their perfectly uniform shape and irresistible crunch? Pringles aren't just any potato chips, they're a marvel of food engineering. Unlike regular chips that break and crumble, Pringles are designed for maximum crunch and freshness. But have you ever thought about how they're made? Stick around as we take you inside the fascinating process of how Pringles are created. And if you love learning about how your favorite snacks are made, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more behind-the-scenes food discoveries. Pringles is a snack that has become a worldwide favorite, recognized for its crisp texture, rich flavors, and unique packaging. What started as an attempt to solve a common consumer complaint has transformed into an internationally recognized brand that stands apart from traditional potato chips. Unlike conventional chips that often suffer from inconsistencies in shape and texture, Pringles offers a carefully designed product that ensures every bite is as satisfying as the last. One of the defining aspects of Pringles is its uniformity. Each chip is the same size and shape, stacked neatly inside a protective can that helps maintain freshness. Unlike the unpredictable nature of traditional potato chips, which can be greasy and prone to breaking inside their bags, Pringles provides a consistent and convenient snacking experience. But how did this beloved chip come to be? What makes it so different from its competitors? And why is it so irresistible? This article will take you through the fascinating story behind Pringles, from its invention to its innovative production process, iconic packaging, and worldwide popularity. The birth of Pringles. The creation of Pringles was driven by a significant consumer issue: dissatisfaction with traditional potato chips. Throughout the mid-20th century, potato chips were a popular snack, but they had several drawbacks that frustrated consumers. Common complaints included inconsistency in shape and texture. Traditional potato chips varied widely in size and thickness, leading to an unpredictable snacking experience. Greasy and messy texture. Many chips were excessively oily, leaving hands greasy and often soaking through their packaging. Broken chips in bags. The fragile nature of potato chips meant that by the time they reached consumers, many were crushed into small, unsatisfying pieces. Recognizing these issues, Procter & Gamble P&G decided to develop a new kind of chip that would address these problems. The company wanted to create a snack that was uniform in shape, less greasy, and packaged in a way that prevented breakage. This ambitious project led to years of research and experimentation. In the 1960s, P&G finally perfected the formula, and in 1968, Pringles was officially introduced to the market. The name Pringles was chosen from a Cincinnati street name, giving the brand a catchy and unique identity. This revolutionary snack quickly gained popularity, changing the way people viewed potato chips. The science behind the shape. One of the most distinctive features of Pringles is their shape. Unlike traditional chips that are irregularly shaped slices of potato, Pringles are engineered with mathematical precision. Their shape, known as a hyperbolic paraboloid, was carefully chosen for two primary reasons. 1. Stackability and efficient packaging. A major drawback of traditional potato chips was the fragility of their structure. Chips were usually packed in bags with air cushioning, but this often led to broken pieces at the bottom. Pringles solved this problem with its stackable design. Each chip fits perfectly on top of the next, eliminating wasted space and significantly reducing breakage. This allowed the company to use a cylindrical container instead of traditional chip bags, revolutionizing snack packaging. 2. The perfect crunch. The hyperbolic paraboloid shape also serves a functional purpose in terms of texture. The shape helps distribute pressure evenly across the chip, making it less prone to breaking under minor stress while maintaining an irresistible crunch. This meticulous attention to design ensured that Pringles would offer a superior eating experience compared to conventional chips. The scientist behind this innovative design, Frederick J. Bauer, was so proud of his work that he requested to have his ashes buried in a Pringles can after his passing. This unusual request highlights the deep impact that Pringles had on both the snack industry and the lives of those who created it. How Pringles are made, a step-by-step process. Despite their futuristic appearance, Pringles are made using a relatively simple but highly precise process. Unlike regular potato chips that are sliced from whole potatoes, Pringles are made from a potato-based dough, which allows for complete control over shape, size, and texture. Step 1. The ingredients. A unique potato blend. The foundation of Pringles' distinctive taste and texture lies in its unique potato blend, setting it apart from traditional potato chips. Instead of slicing whole potatoes, Pringles are crafted from a carefully formulated dough that ensures each chip maintains a uniform shape, flavor, and consistency. The key ingredients in this blend include potato flakes, cornstarch, water, and seasonings. Potato flakes, the primary ingredient, provide the signature potato flavor that snack lovers crave. Unlike regular chips that are cut from fresh potatoes, Pringles' potato flakes are derived from dehydrated potatoes, which allows for better control over the chip's structure and taste. This process not only enhances the product's shelf life, but also ensures a standardized potato base in every batch. Cornstarch plays a crucial role in maintaining the crispness and structural integrity of the chip. By acting as a binding agent, cornstarch helps the dough maintain a smooth consistency, making it easier to roll out and shape. Additionally, cornstarch contributes to the chip's signature crunch, providing a satisfying texture with every bite. Water is another essential component of the Pringles formula. It helps bind the ingredients together, forming a pliable dough that can be molded into uniform shapes. Unlike traditional chips, where moisture content varies due to natural inconsistencies in potatoes, Pringles' dough-based approach ensures precise control over hydration levels. This allows the chips to maintain their unique crunch without becoming too dry or too oily. Lastly, seasonings and flavorings are incorporated into the process later, allowing for a diverse range of flavors. While the original Pringles flavor remains a favorite, the brand has introduced numerous variations over the years, from classic sour cream and onion to bold barbecue and exotic international flavors. This method of flavoring ensures that each chip is consistently seasoned, enhancing the overall snacking experience. By using this unique blend of ingredients, Pringles ensures that every chip delivers the same great taste and texture. This approach not only differentiates Pringles from traditional potato chips, but also makes them a global favorite among snack lovers. Step 2. Mixing and dough formation. Once the individual ingredients are gathered, they are transferred into massive industrial mixers where they are combined into a thick, uniform dough. This mixing process is a critical step in Pringles production, as it determines the consistency and quality of the final product. Unlike traditional potato chips, which rely on natural variations in potato slices, Pringles' dough-based approach allows for precise control over every aspect of the chip's texture and flavor. During mixing, the potato flakes and cornstarch are blended with water to create a smooth and malleable dough. The water content is carefully controlled to ensure that the dough maintains an ideal balance, not too wet and sticky, yet not too dry and crumbly. This precision ensures that the dough can be rolled out smoothly and cut into uniform shapes without breaking apart. One major advantage of using a dough-based formula is the ability to evenly distribute ingredients throughout the mixture. Unlike traditional chips, where seasoning is applied unevenly to whole potato slices, Pringles dough ensures that every chip has a consistent taste. This method eliminates the issue of some chips being overly salty while others lack flavor, making each bite equally satisfying. Another benefit of this approach is reduced oil absorption during frying. Since the dough contains controlled amounts of moisture and starch, Pringles absorb less oil compared to traditional potato chips, resulting in a lighter texture. This makes them less greasy while maintaining their signature crunch, a key factor in their widespread appeal. By the end of the mixing process, the dough is ready to be rolled out and shaped. At this stage, Pringles are still in their early form, but careful control over their composition ensures that they will maintain their distinctive shape and taste throughout the rest of the production process. Step 3. Rolling and cutting. Once the dough has reached the perfect consistency, it is rolled out into thin sheets, setting the stage for the signature Pringles shape. Unlike traditional chips that are sliced from whole potatoes, this method allows for complete control over thickness, ensuring uniformity in every batch. The rolling process is crucial because it determines the crispiness of the final product. If the dough is too thick, the chips may turn out dense and chewy. If it is too thin, they may become too fragile and prone to breaking. After rolling, the dough sheets move through a precision cutting machine where they are stamped into identical oval pieces. This method ensures that every Pringle is the same size and shape, eliminating the inconsistencies found in regular potato chips. Since Pringles are designed to be stackable, maintaining uniformity is essential for both packaging and consumer experience. One of the most innovative aspects of this step is the way Pringles handles excess dough. Any dough that is left over after the cutting process is not wasted. Instead, it is recycled back into the system and used to create new chips. This minimizes waste and maximizes efficiency, making the production process more sustainable compared to traditional chip manufacturing. By the end of this stage, the chips have taken their recognizable shape, but they are still raw. The next step, molding and frying, will give them their final crisp texture and flavor. Step 4. Molding and frying. To achieve Pringles' signature curved shape, the freshly cut oval pieces are transferred onto molds that press them into a hyperbolic paraboloid form. This unique design is not just for aesthetics. It plays a crucial role in the chip's texture and packaging efficiency. The curved shape ensures that each chip fits perfectly into the next, allowing for the convenient stackable design that Pringles is known for. Once molded, the chips move into the frying process, where they are cooked in hot oil for approximately 11 seconds. This brief frying time is carefully calibrated to create the ideal crunch without making the chips too oily. Because Pringles are made from dough rather than whole potato slices, they absorb significantly less oil than traditional chips, resulting in a lighter texture with a satisfying crispness. The frying process is continuously monitored to ensure that each batch maintains the same level of crispness and golden brown color. This level of precision is one of the reasons why Pringles have remained consistently popular over the decades. Step 5. Seasoning and packaging. The final step in the Pringles production process is seasoning and packaging. After frying, the freshly cooked chips move along a conveyor belt, where they pass through specialized seasoning dispensers. These dispensers evenly coat the chips with a fine layer of seasoning, ensuring that every Pringle has the perfect amount of flavor. Unlike traditional chips, where seasoning can be unevenly distributed, Pringles' controlled process guarantees a consistent taste in every bite. Once seasoned, the chips are carefully stacked into their iconic cylindrical cans. This innovative packaging was designed to solve one of the biggest problems with traditional chip bags: breakage. The sturdy tube prevents the chips from getting crushed during transportation and storage, ensuring that consumers receive intact, perfectly shaped chips every time. From its humble beginnings as a solution to common snack complaints to becoming a global phenomenon, Pringles has cemented itself as one of the most beloved chips worldwide. With its scientifically designed shape, innovative packaging, and an ever-expanding range of flavors, Pringles continues to captivate snack lovers everywhere. Whether you're a fan of classic flavors or eager to try bold new varieties, one thing remains certain: once you pop, you just can't stop. And that's the secret behind Pringles' perfect crunch. From dough to can, every step is precision engineered for freshness and flavor. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and let us know. What snack should we uncover next?